that makes you happy, do it. If something makes you happy, do it. If people are gonna judge you, they're gonna die anyways. Hey guys, my name is Snow Lily and welcome to my channel. So I'm just 20 years old and today I'm gonna talk about life. I'm just 20, so you would be thinking like, what do I know about life? And yeah. I am 20 and I just know that मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है, मेरे पास मुझे इतनी चीज़ें करनी है या मुझे कुछ भी करना है, बट टाइम is just passing by and like you cannot stop time, you cannot change time, you can just change yourself in present. So मैं ये वीडियो बहुत टाइम से बनाने का सोच रही थी, बट here I am now. Just it's all about the things that what makes you happy and what you want to do. And by this I just want for myself ki at least I'm trying to do something. Some people just don't even start, and here I am present. I will tell you a few things that I have learned in my 20 years, okay? Never regret something. Never regret something. You are gonna be in your 90s or 80s and what in your 70s, and then you are gonna regret like, oh, मैंने ये नहीं करा, oh, मैंने वो नहीं करा. You have time right now. You can do the things that you want to do, and seriously, if that makes you happy, do it. If something makes you happy, do it. If people are gonna judge you, they're gonna die anyways. So yeah, just do it anyway, for yourself, for your peace, and for your own self. Second thing I wanna talk about is present. See, आपका past, आपको लगता होगा चीज़ें मैटर करती हैं, क्योंकि मुझे लगता था कि यार मेरी पास्ट की चीज़ें बहुत मैटर करती है, लाइक इन स्टडीज़ और इन स्टफ. एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि वो चीज़ें ऐसा वो कहीं ना कहीं मैटर करती है, बट उसकी वजह से तुम अपने प्रेजेंट में जो तुम ऐसे स्ट्रेस लेके बैठे हो, don't do it. It's not worth it. Seriously, I'm gonna tell you that me personally, I have taken a lot of stress, बहुत ज़्यादा, just because of my past and for the things that I have done and for the things that I have not done. But the thing is, in the present, I can do the things that I wanna do, and I think that's the biggest blessing I ever think of. Okay. So yeah, stop thinking about future, stop thinking about past, and be present. Being present is such a blessing, and you here now is so amazing. And yeah, third thing that I want to talk about is knowledge. Okay, so I just want to say, read. And read, I'm literally saying it again and again. Read. You can't get enough knowledge ever. Every point in your life, someone smarter will be there, and you will feel like, oh, you will just compare yourself with them. And I don't want you to do it, because babe, you are amazing. You get it? You have everything. You can have everything that you want, but instead of doing that, आप खुद को किसी और के साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हो. You see what I'm saying? Instead of doing that, आप किसी और को खुद के साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हो, when you can literally have that thing by yourself. So, yeah, knowledge, read. I'm literally saying it again and again, read. Okay, and whatever you do, just do it with pureness, do it with love, do it with your own desire. Just do it. I'm saying it again and again because, see, this is just your one life and आप खत्म हो जाओगे तो आपको पता भी नहीं होगा आपके साथ क्या होगा. See, and now like आप just ऐसा बैठे हैं and you're just thinking that yeah, I will do it later, I will do it later. When जब आप कब so instead of stop thinking that, just do it. Do whatever you want to do. Nobody's gonna stop you, and if they do, just say. Fourth thing, learn to say no. Learn to say no. Just if you don't wanna do something, no. If they say why, just I don't want that to. Like it's just enough reason for you to not do something because you don't want to. Okay. So like if you don't want to do something, just say no. And some people pleasers might be saying ki, oh, I can't do it. You can. You just try hard not to because you don't want to make them sad. But you know what? उनकी वजह से तुम्हारी mental health खराब हो रही है. And is it worth that? Is it worth that? Seriously, tell me. Is it? I mean, you can just say no. You can just say it. No. I don't want to do it. Yeah. No. Fifth thing that I want to say. If you want to do something, if you have, if you have something that you want to do, as you can say a dream, okay? And अभी आप stuck हो, okay? And you don't know what you should do on that because आपको idea ही नहीं है आपको क्या करना है, right? Because I have been there and I'm not kidding. I didn't want to do what I was doing before, okay? I was doing like drafting AutoCAD stuff and building planning and I didn't want to do that. भाई मुझे नहीं करना था सच्ची. मुझे इतना boring लगता था, okay? And then I got into interior designing and it was so random. I just said कि God, if I don't know, मुझे just इसमें मन नहीं लग रहा what I'm doing or anything, and please आप ऐसा कुछ मेरे को just show me the way, just open the doors for me because I can't see for myself, and please and I wanna do something that I really love or I really like, okay? And now I know what I want to do. And yeah, it's not easy because like मुझे भी नहीं पता था मुझे क्या करना है और मुझे कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है और मुझे मतलब कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं था, लाइक कुछ भी कि भाई मतलब क्या चल रहा है या क्या हो रहा है. So the first thing is that तुम्हें जो पसंद है, तुम्हें जो लगता है, तुम्हें जो पसंद है, तुम वो करो, ओके? एंड इफ यू फील लाइक या यही मुझे करना है, जस्ट लर्न अबाउट इट मोर एंड मोर एंड तुम उसके और लाइक वेज ढूंढो कि जिससे तुम मतलब वो चीज यू कैन मेक इट हैपन. There you go. You just find yourself your way. And that's why I love like that what you wanted. So be happy. Like seriously. Sixth thing that I want to say. Always be grateful. Always be grateful and kind for what you have. Seriously. Because जो आपके पास है ऐसा नहीं है वो चीज़ सेम चीज़ दूसरे पास भी होगी, ओके? एंड दिस इज़ लाइक मैं मतलब आई एम सो ब्लेस्ड, seriously, I'm not kidding, I'm so blessed that I have such lovely parents or such lovely things, seriously. एंड लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे लाइफ में दिक्कतें नहीं चल रही हैं, ऐसा मेरे लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है पहले, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बट द थिंग इज दैट आई एम ग्रेटफुल, रियली रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर व्हाट आई हैव, लाइक बहुत ज्यादा। क्योंकि अगर like if my parents didn't existed, like I wouldn't be here, and they have worked so hard to achieve what they have right now, and that's why I think I'm living like this, like living happily, and I can say that I'm happy right now, seriously, because um, like I'm just so grateful, and yeah, just so be grateful and be kind and just do the things that you can do, like for people, for yourself, and yeah. Seventh thing, just because someone is mean to you doesn't mean you have to be mean to them, because you can choose to be kind. या अगर तुम्हें कोई ज़्यादा ही बोलता है एंड तुम्हें कोई ज़्यादा ही कुछ बोलता है, देन ऑफ कोर्स गो गर्ल और गो गाय। बट अगर कोई बात बात करने से सॉल्व हो सकती है, सो जस्ट डू इट। आई मीन अगर कोई बात सॉल्व हो सकती है जस्ट बात करने से, so why would you want to waste your energy on that? Like seriously, you can just say yeah, मतलब तुम ऐसा बात तो मैं उसको सुना दो, एंड नॉट गालियाँ। आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट कि हाँ ऐसा तुम उसको गालियाँ दे रहे हो माँ बहन के, एंड सीरियसली माँ बहन की गालियाँ दे रहे हो तुम, लिटरली गाइस यू। अगर तुम्हें किसी को सुनाना है तुम ऐसा यूनिक सा कुछ ढूंढो ना जी, मतलब ऐसा यूनिक ऐसा हो भाई उसको दिमाग ऐसा खराब हो जाए कि हाँ भाई ये क्या बोल दिया, समझ ही नहीं आया। Okay, so beside this, yeah. Eighth thing that I want to say is कि protect your own peace. Really, that really really matters. अगर आपको किसी चीज का बुरा लग रहा, okay, अगर मतलब कुछ भी चीज हो रही है, think about yourself, because when you do, you really learn to become uh like, I'm not saying being selfish is nice, but being selfish for yourself, it's the best thing you can do for yourself. I'm not even kidding that मैं if something like doesn't align with me or like ऐसा कुछ होता है, I'm like अगर ये मतलब मेरे लिए नहीं है, then I'll not do it. Seriously. अगर कोई मुझे ऐसा कुछ बोल भी ना रहा है ना, कि मतलब अगर कोई मुझे कुछ ऐसा बोल भी रहा है कि तू ये कर ले, तेरे लिए ऐसा वैसा, I know what I wanna do, and I know what's best for me. And I know whatever I'm doing, goal is always guiding me. And yeah, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं लोगों की नहीं सुनती हूँ. No, I listen. But it doesn't mean it, कि मैं उनकी बातें like वो करूँ, सही में ऐसा मानूँ। मतलब ऐसा नहीं है, मतलब कुछ ऐसा बड़े बोल रहे हैं कुछ तो हाँ, मतलब छोटी मोटी चीज तो ऑफकोर्स तुम मानते हो, राइट? बट आई एम जस्ट saying that be selfish about what you want, about what you do, about what you say, okay? And just yeah, love yourself and be happy. Okay, so ninth thing is that love yourself. I'm just saying this because most people don't love themselves. Like they say that hey, oh, I'm not looking good, I'm like this, I'm like that. And even I'm insecure of some parts of my body. And yeah. But the thing is that कि मुझे पता कि I love myself, and some people will be like, oh, blah blah. Shut. It's my wish, okay? I love myself and तुम इस पे कुछ नहीं बोल सकते यार तुम उस पे क्या ही बोलोगे कि I love myself. Yeah, I love my hairs. See how pretty they are. I love my eyes. I love my lips. I love my teeth. Even though like I have been so bullied on my teeth. Okay. But still I love them. I love my smile. I love every part of me. And that's how you love yourself. You just do what you love. I love yourself. Okay. मेरा आवाज थोड़ा okay. Eighth, ninth. Right. So ninth thing I wanna say is even if you fumble, even if Jesus says a बोलना पाओ, try to do what you can do. See, अब पूरी वीडियो में I have said so and blah blah blah. You know what? I know मैं fumble करती हूँ, but it doesn't mean I will do forever. It doesn't mean कि वो चीजें होंगी. You know, people learn, and people improve, and that's the see even right now. But yeah, that's how you learn, and that's how you create something new of your own and yourself. So, thing that I want to say is you are so amazing. You are so powerful. You are so yeah, and you are so pretty. You are so gorgeous. Even if you are a guy, you are so. I can't say on that. But yeah, you're so amazing. No, I can say amazing to guys. Okay, I mean, it's like okay, you're pretty, bro. Bro, you are amazing. Go, go. Yeah. And yeah, that's it for the video. I love you all. Bye bye.